welcome back with another video. It has been a bit since I have posted the actual video, but I am back and I am so ready to start doing YouTube again. Maybe not so ready to do it again, but ready enough to start to try to do it all again. We are doing an unboxing video. My mom, she did a random subscription thing and she was like, hey, I got you some stuff so you could do an unboxing video. And I was like, ooh, that sounds fun. So that's what we're going to be doing today. The things that we are going to be unboxing is from a place called Paradise Delivered. Let's get this box open. Let's see. Enjoy your mystery box featuring the top most favorite full-size items from our collection. Visit paradise-delivered.com for monthly boxes, a variety of mystery boxes, and highly rated individual items. Use code HUDS for 30% off your order. Treat yourself, you deserve it. Sent a nice little card and everything. So we have a apple blossom multi-use body wash infused buffer. I like the box. It's like a little flower. That's so cute. It smells good too. I like it. We have Sunset Park. Oh, it's a candle. It smells like birthday cake. What else? Face toner. I think it leaked because the box kind of feels... Oh no! It's a very interesting smell. I think it leaked everywhere. Raggy. Pillow mist. Oh, you spray it on your pillow before you go to bed. Eucalyptus jasmine. That's cool. Ooh, it's pink. I love the color pink. It's a nice smell. Rose quartz, grapefruit, and essential oil. I love essential oils. I have a lot of them. It has rose quartz inside it. I don't know if you can see it very well, but that's really cool. Just realized the whole time the light that I had wasn't on. This is the kind of stuff that you rub on here. I used to own a lot of these. Now I can smell it, but that's really cool. It has rose quartz. I don't know if I'm doing a good job at showing you all these things, but like, that's really cool. Under eye mask. I will definitely use these. I will definitely use these. They're under eye mask. I love under eye masks because they're so, with activated collagen and gold, and they're cruelty free, and they're award winning. But the instructions are upside down. Sweet feet. They're socks. They're just blue socks. Yeah, they're just socks. Just socks. You know, just normal things in a mystery box. Liquid eyeliner. Ooh. That looks like a nice little eyeliner right there. Cuticle oil. Repair and soften dry or damaged cuticles. Interesting. I've never seen that before. There's a lot of stuff I've never heard of, so that'll be interesting. Editing me is gonna have a lot of fun. This is a really cute bottle. lotion for your footsies. Your foot need love too, so treat them to ultimate hydration. I like the color. I like the scent. Lip. It's a lip mask. I just ruined this box. I don't know how to film these kind of videos. Scalp massager. Relieve stress while promoting blood flow and healthy hair growth with this versatile tool, equipped and flexible rubber tips to reach every part of your scalp, even the areas we often forget. What? It does feel nice. Vitamin C Booster Day Cream. Well, it's already halfway open, so that's always fun. It smells nice. This is called Cannon Moon. Another. It smells like birthday cake. same thing as the other one. It smells like birthday cake. What is this? I don't know what that says.
Amelia Rue.
What that says. I am dyslexic. Oh, it's bracelets! I love bracelets. Ooh, these are so pretty. One's blue and one pink. These are cute. This one looks more fancy. Okay. Lavender Sky multi-use. It's one of the body wash buffers. This one's lavender. And what was the other one? The other one was apple blossom and this one's lavender. Charlotte Star with 2 R's. Now you can touch up your hair or makeup anywhere you go. Is it a mirror? It's gonna be a mirror. It's a mirror. It's a mirror. Hello, pretty. Ooh. I see some dry blood up in my nose. That's always fun. Oh, this is already open. A back this.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Feels nice. Feels nice. Okay, more socks. The exact same socks too. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Please leave a good old comment in the comment section of what you may want to see from me in the future. Check out the description. I will leave the name of this. It's called Paradise Delivered. And use that code HUDS for 30% off. Use that. Subscribe if you haven't already to become part of the Rainbow Cult / Coven that is entirely built on love, support, and kindness. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful life. Bye! I tried so hard and got so far.